Alright, so you're going to add your 2 sticks of butter to the mixer and turn it on medium-high speed. And this needs to mix for about 10 minutes. You will have to go in and scrape the bowl. I ended up doing it, I believe, twice. Get that bottom, make sure that all of that butter is getting mixed, and you will notice a big difference that it has turned pretty much white. And once you do that, you can start adding your sugar. And I add about 6 cups of powdered sugar. Add your teaspoon of vanilla. And about a 1/3 cup of heavy cream. You just mix that, and you're gonna see that I hadn't added all of my whipping cream yet, and I saw that it was about that stiff. That might be good if you're gonna be adding food coloring, but since I'm not adding food coloring, then I'm gonna need more whipping cream. You can see where it spreads and it's smooth, but it's still thick enough to get really nice ribbon curls when we pipe it with our tip.
Hey everybody, if you love hot cocoa, go to the next video and amazing recipe.